Welcome to Stowe Car and Commercial in Chelmsford. Stowe Car and Commercial is an RAC approved by Shaw retailer. That means that all of our vehicles, cars and commercial vehicles, pass through a strict 82-point RAC check in addition to our own workshop inspections. All vehicles are supplied with a minimum of 6 months RAC Platinum warranty in addition to 12 months RAC roadside assistance, both of which are included in the price. I do invite you to take a look at our 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader, car dealer reviews, and also directly on the RAC website in conjunction with Judge Service. We are very fussy with all of our vehicles here at Stowe, and we aim to hand all of our vehicles over to the new owner in the best overall condition for a used vehicle. It's my absolute pleasure to present today this Peugeot Rifter wheelchair accessible vehicle. We've just purchased it direct from the previous owner. It's not had a hard life, very, very low mileage, in very, very good overall condition, with service history, and of course has both keys. Condition is excellent. I will just whiz round the outside and then I'll show you more importantly what's going on inside. But as you can see, bodywork along the driver's side is virtually unmarked. No nasty dents, dings or scratches that I can see. There's one little touch-in that's been done on the bonnet there. But other than that, there's nothing really on the driver's side to point out to you. Making my way inside again, as we know, it's only covered just over 7,000 miles from new, and it's in the condition you would expect it to be in when you take into consideration the age and the mileage. It's not been abused, smells fresh and clean inside. No excessive wear on the steering wheel, on the buttons, on the gear selector, and no wear on these seats. They look like new. No scuffs in the door shuts, same on the door card there. And making my way into the rear again, as mentioned a couple of times, it's not had a hard life. No scuffs on the door trims here. Same on the additional passenger seat. It also has Isofix, that seat as well, so you can secure a car seat into that if you wish. As you can see, no wear, nothing to point out to you. It's exactly as you would wish to find it. Now, this is a wheelchair accessible vehicle. It does have an electric winch as well, which you can then lock into place. Obviously, this all folds away nice and tidy, and you will see what that looks like in the photos. I have it down so you can see the condition of the ramp. I suspect this hasn't been used very often because it looks like new, quite frankly. Nothing really obvious that jumps out at me. And as mentioned, it's certainly not been abused. It's in absolutely super condition. Nothing negative to say, really. The tailgate, take my word for it as much as you can, because I don't want to pop it all the way down because the ramp is out. But as you can see, hopefully you can see there are no nasty gouges, dents or dings on the tailgate. Passenger side, I'm pleased to say the same. No nasty gouges, dents, dings. I can't find anything negative to say, really. It's exactly as you'd wish to find it. Obviously, it is a used vehicle. It's not brand new, but I think it's about as close as you will get to a new one. Very, very nice indeed. As mentioned, comes with a warranty and breakdown cover. Will be thoroughly inspected prior to handing it over to its new owner. On the front end, can't see anything obvious again to point out to you. I would say expect a few stone chips on the front end. There are a few minor stone chips, but there is only a couple of stone chips overall on the front end, but virtually unmarked, really. Very, very nice indeed. And great specification as well. Full details of the spec available in the advert itself. But if you do have any questions, you can, of course, give us a call, drop us an email, or WhatsApp us as well. You can secure the vehicle on the website. You can also apply for finance there if you need it. But you can, of course, do all of these things, and preferable to do them over the phone with us in the office. We can give you the best advice. But you can WhatsApp us, email us, live chat us, or indeed pick up the phone. But it's my pleasure to present today this Peugeot Rifter wheelchair accessible vehicle. This is Stowe Car Company in Chelmsford.